As we all know, we had faced a lot of issue due to lockdown and COVID-19. हम सोच रहे हैं हमारी लाइफ स्टॉप हो गई है, बट यहाँ हमारी इकोनॉमिक भी हैम्पर हो रही है. द वे वी आर थिंकिंग टू स्टार्ट अवर लाइफ, उसी तरह हमें अपने इकोनॉमिक को भी स्टार्ट करने के लिए सोचना होगा. सो हाउ वी कैन सेव अवर इकोनॉमिक? वी कैन सेव इट बाय रोलिंग अवर मनी इन अवर ओन country itself. How? We should try to purchase the product which are manufacturing in India. Example, if you want to purchase a car, so try to purchase it from Indian company like Tata, Mahindra, and cosmetic like Shahnaz Hussain and Himalaya, and many more examples are there. So अब तक हम सिर्फ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डेट एंड एक्सपायरी डेट चेक कर रहे थे while purchasing product. Now let's make a new habit to check whether the product are manufacturing in India or not. So this is how we can save our economic by purchasing Make in India and Made in India product and by boycotting China product. As we can give you the example of Japan, the way Japan citizen has supported their country after the pandemic situation created by America in their country. Why we can't? As we all know what China has done with us, he has brought us in such situation where everyone is helpless. We Indian strategy is tit for tat, जैसे को तैसा. सही है ना? We all do same thing. We know everything. We know what to do, how to do. We have everything in our plate. Time, power, strategy, answer, money. We know how we can give answer to China. Still we are quiet. Why? So we Indians are like जो सोचते हैं वो कर दिखाते हैं. जवाब देना आता है. Strong example is surgical strike.
ऐसा नहीं है by boycotting China product we are spreading any hate.
We are not spreading any hate. We don't have a problem with the Chinese people. They are good. But we have a problem with the Chinese government. Their gadgets, their strategy, what they are using on us. Now we have to raise a wake-up alarm. There are many things that China government did with their citizen and other country too. Now it's at our doorstep. So it's our time now, not like the way they are giving by attacking us. We have to answer them by our wallet power. Boycotting product कोई बुरी बात नहीं है. हमने स्वदेशी मूवमेंट के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा, जो हमारे बाल गंगाधर तिलक जी द्वारा स्टार्ट किया गया था 1905 में. During that time British were ruling on us. So we have to think that prevention is better than cure. Start from now onwards.
Many citizens must be thinking why Janta to take a call to boycott product. Why not government? See, government के कुछ rules होते हैं, कुछ protocols होते हैं, so they can't take every step easily. If हम करें तो अच्छा है ना. As we all know, customers are always right, and they have right to choose what they want. No one can ask customer as they are the king of the market. So why to wait for anyone else to start? Keep yourself first and be the king. जैसे हम जनता मिलकर देश के लिए सरकार बना सकते हैं, तो वही जनता अपने देश के लिए चाइना प्रोडक्ट्स बॉयकॉट करने की शुरुआत क्यों नहीं कर सकते? डोंट आस्क गवर्नमेंट व्हाट दे कैन डू फॉर यू. आस्क योरसेल्फ व्हाट यू कैन डू फॉर द कंट्री.
It's completely possible to boycott China product. जब कोई लोग, देश और any country started harming you, at that time everything is possible. As we told you before, we are Indians and हमने जो एक बार सोच ली वो हम कर दिखाते हैं. The best and the recent example is our current situation. The very less death rate. It's all possible because of our unity.
And we all can manage without Chinese product. Do we or not?
हम चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट पे इतना डिपेंडेंट है जैसे हमारे इंडियन प्रोडक्ट कुछ है ही नहीं. वी आर ओनली लुकिंग एट हाउ टू मेक आवर लाइफ इजी एंड चीप वे लाइक चाइना प्रोडक्ट्स. गाइस, पैसा सब कुछ नहीं होता है. वी हैव टू थिंक बोथ गुड एंड बैड. वी हैव टू सी द गुड साइड एंड द बैड साइड ऑफ चाइना. हमारे एथिक्स हमें यही सिखाते हैं, बुरा या गुनाह करने वालों का साथ देने वाला भी गुनहगार होता है. द वे सोहम सर सेज, बायकॉट चाइना प्रोडक्ट्स. Software in a week, hardware in a year. We all can do that with a good and smart strategy. That much smart enough we are, guys. We should not depend on anything so much कि लोग हमें हार्म करे फिर भी हम चुप रहे. जवाब देना तो बनता है. वैसे तो we can live simple lifestyle. इस लॉकडाउन ने हमें सब सिखा दिया है. So guys, start living simple lifestyle with a good quality of product. Hope you all have got the message which we are trying to spread through this video. Now we had got a chance to become an army. Yes guys, army. Though we cannot go on borders and fight like them. By being into a country, we can boycott China products and become an army and support our Indian and soldiers like them. So I request you guys, be Swadeshi, buy Swadeshi. So guys, be Indian, buy Indian. Jai Hind.